All right, here we go. I'm Eddie with Kansas City Legacy Properties, and in this video, we're still answering the questions you have on how to sell your house. Today's questions: what do I need to get my house ready to sell? Let's talk about staging. Do you need it? Maybe, maybe not. But here's when staging really helps. If the house is completely empty, if the furniture looks dated, or you just want to help the buyers picture themselves living there. Sometimes the stager can just come in and work with what you already have. Rearranging furniture, removing heavy curtains, adding a few light, modern touches. Those little changes can make a house feel bigger and brighter. What's the best way to make your home look great in photos? Light. Let the light in. Open the blinds. Pull back the curtains. Clean the windows. Schedule photos when the sun is up and shining into the house. A bright house always looks better in photos, and it brings more buyers through the door. Does curb appeal matter? Yes, absolutely. Even the small things can make a big difference. Mow the lawn, pull the weeds, trim back the bushes, add a pop of color to the front door. You don't need to do a full landscaping job, but don't overlook the power of the first impression. Should I take down all of my family photos? Not necessarily. Decluttering is good. Removing every trace of your life, not necessary. Buyers understand that this is your home. They expect to see a few personal touches. But if you have a wall of 50 photos going up the stairs, you might want to scale that back a little. How clean does the house need to be? I'll give you two answers. Before you list, get a professional deep clean. We're talking knobs on the stove, the window tracks, carpet shampoo, cobwebs in the corner. Before showing, just keep it tidy. Beds made, counters wiped, dishes put away. It can be hard, especially if you're still living there, but buyers notice the difference. A clean house just feels better. Oh, and clean the windows. It's huge. It costs a couple $100, but it can make your house look amazing. So when you're getting your home ready to sell, open the blinds, let the light in, clear the clutter, and add a few modern touches. Clean it like company is company, and make sure the outside is neat and tidy. Do those things, and you'll give buyers every reason to fall in love with your home. I'm Eddie with Kansas City Legacy Properties. Reach out if you want help getting started. We're here to make selling your home simple, profitable, and stress-free.